Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor with an iPhone. We'll cover everything you need to get started, from connecting your device to managing your digital assets securely. This guide will help you access your funds conveniently while maintaining the robust security Trezor provides. You'll learn the essential steps to ensure your cryptocurrencies are safe and accessible anytime, anywhere, right from your mobile device. Connecting your Trezor to an iPhone is straightforward. First, you'll need a suitable cable, typically a USB-C to Lightning adapter for older iPhones or a USB-C to USB-C cable for newer models. Ensure your iPhone's operating system is up to date for optimal compatibility. Once you have the correct cable, simply plug one end into your Trezor and the other into your iPhone. This physical connection is the first step to accessing your secure wallet. After connecting your Trezor, the next step is to access your wallet. Download the official Trezor Suite Lite application from the App Store. Once installed, open the app, and it will guide you through the process of recognizing your connected Trezor device. Remember, all critical actions, such as confirming transactions or entering your PIN, must be verified directly on your Trezor's physical screen. This two-factor verification ensures maximum security for your digital assets. With your Trezor connected and the app open, you can now securely manage your funds. You can send and receive a wide range of cryptocurrencies directly from your iPhone. When initiating a transaction, always double-check the recipient's address on both your phone screen and your Trezor device's display. For enhanced security, it is highly recommended to disconnect your Trezor hardware wallet from your iPhone after each use. This practice helps keep your digital assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.